model is really well done. The team definitely thought about the design aspect of it, about how to present him in a different positions with detail to form and muscles. I like how easily interchangeable everything is. So this is the muscles with the side of a regular face. This is the skull. I don't know how this is going to pick up on video, but the magnet is sturdy and definitely, let's see, do I have to worry about this? Okay, it's okay. That's my first time doing that, so I don't know. I have a small space and things get very rowdy here, and things fall, so it's nice to know that I could not worry about this tipping over, but of course I will be careful with everything. Change this out to the body. I think this is good. I like how I can change the arms around. You do have to pay attention. One set of the upper arms are for one set of torso versus the other, so you can't mix one with the other. But that's not a big deal. I mean, you can see that one has a smaller hole and a bigger connections than the other. I would like to see the next iteration that they do is that I can do the same thing with the legs. I can change out the legs to different positions. Just because I do look at muscle movements when you are at the gym, or when like weight training, or when you're swimming, and those are the muscles that I would like to see different positions in. But I mean, that's not really a big deal, because if you look here, I could just move it. Just mentally in my mind, I can just think about how is this in a sitting position. But I think this is really well made. I think this will definitely be useful for what I'm doing. One thing I like that I would put a light source to this, and sometimes I care about how would I shade the object, so the light source would come here or here, and then I would see how it would cast the shadow on the form of the body, and this would be a great reference to have, to know that. I do some 3D modeling with Blender also, but I think the same thing with portrait painting. Whatever mistakes that you make, if you can't draw something because you don't understand something, you're going to make the same mistakes in a digital environment. It's the same thing for a 3D model in a digital environment. So if I don't understand what I'm seeing or think I'm seeing, when I'm drawing or painting or putting into a 3D artwork, I'm going to make the same mistakes. So I'm not going to catch that. And I think this would be a good reference to have, to see, okay, if the muscle moved this way, it should look a certain way when the light casts on it in a painting or in a 3D modeling software. So if you're serious about your art work and understanding anatomy, this is a good investment to pick up for yourself.